This is the CAN bus display of Bafang DP C080. The product shell is made of PC ABS material, and the transparent LCD screen is aluminosilicate glass. The 3-button operation is convenient and fast. The charging interface is a USB-C interface with a maximum charging voltage of 5 volts and a maximum charging current of 500 milliamps. Waterproof level, IPX7. Dimensions, see the picture. Press and hold the power button to turn on the display. Here are power, headlight, USB charging, and maintenance in order. Real-time speed is displayed here. Here is the gear display. Here represent the single driving mileage and the remaining mileage respectively. There is a power indicator bar displayed below. Short press the plus and minus keys to switch the power assist gear and change the motor assist size. The lowest is E gear and the highest is B gear. E stands for economy mode. T stands for comfort mode. S stands for sport mode. S plus stands for sport enhancement mode. B stands for the strongest power mode. When the number is 0, it is neutral. To enter the boost mode, you need to short press the minus key to enter this page, and then long press the minus key to turn on the boost. Long press the plus key to turn on the headlight. Short press the power key to enter the quick interface. In this interface, the cycling data display is concise and clear. Speed, trip, ODO, maximum value, average value, cadence, calories, time, watts. When on the main page, long press the plus key and minus key at the same time to enter the main menu. Here are HMI settings, advanced settings, information viewing, theme settings, and language settings. HMI settings. Here you can set metric or imperial units. Choose to turn on service tips. After turning it on, you will be reminded to do maintenance when the mileage reaches 5,000 kilometers. Set the time for automatic shutdown here. Here is a single mileage reset. Adjust the screen brightness. Adjust the light sensitivity. Return to the main menu and view the next advanced setting. The access password is 1919. You can choose modes here. Enter the wheel size to make the data recognition more accurate. Set the speed limit. Setting the tire circumference. My bike is 27.5 inches, and the circumference of the tire is about 2,099 millimeters. Set the power on password here. Go back to the home page to view the information options. After entering, you can view the display information, controller information, sensor information, battery information. You can view the health status of each battery cell accurately. Error code. Warn code. There are 2 theme settings. Choose the one you like. There are 6 language settings: English, German, Dutch, French, Italian, Czech. Let's connect to the Bafang app to show you its features. This is the latest version of the Bafang Go app in the Google Store. This version of the app allows you to upload your own avatar. So I uploaded a photo of me hang 5 recently. Haha. Now let's start connecting to Bluetooth. Click here to add a device. Okay, Bluetooth pairing is successful. There are various cycling data displayed on the homepage. Click here to control the headlight. Personalized cycling parameter settings can be adjusted by clicking here. Here you can make personalized settings for each gear. Page 2 is the navigation function. Enter the destination you want to go to, and you can start navigation. Page 3 is the activity page where you can record your cycling data. The last page is the settings page.